Hello guys, it's me Bharat and you're watching Tech One. So today I will tell you how to flash custom ROM in Redmi Note 3. So let's get started. To flash custom ROM, you have to unlock bootloader and have to flash TWRP. I have made a video of how to unlock your device and how to flash TWRP. Check in the description. This ROM supports VoLTE, developed by Abhishek. So now you have to wipe cache, data, system and hit on swipe to wipe. It takes few seconds to delete or format your system. Now hit on back and then you have to go to install and select the file CM14 firewall to flash. Now go back and select the CM14 ROM in the device and swipe to install. So it takes some few times, and after flashing this you have to go back and flash GIFs in the device. So I recommended you to download micro GIFs to flash in this ROM. Now hit on reboot and it takes some few minutes, so be patient. It will take a long time to install. If you have any Wi-Fi connection, hit on the connecting. Now you have to select the which do you prefer. I selected a Jio SIM to cellular data, and it takes few seconds to wait for few seconds. So now I have completed my setup. So let's see the ROM is stable or not. So let's get started. So as of now there is no HD symbol on my notification bar, so I am going to set up in my settings. Let's see the voltage works or not. It's good that by default Jio network APN is given here, so I have set it now, but still there is no HD symbol is there. I am setting the data to Jio, but it not works. So let's check the call works or not. So I am typing few numbers on the screen, so let's check is work or not. So select Jio network and then yeah, it works. So I am checking each and every app. Is there any bug or any crash while opening any app? So Play Store is working super fine. There is no problem with this Play Store app. So let's see other apps works or not. Let's see Google Assistant works or not. So no, there is no Google Assistant. We have to install Expose, then only it works. Let's see the long pressing the app is enabled or not. Yes, it's enabled, and let's see which are the apps it has been enabled. So there is no app default apps have been enabled, only Google apps it working super fine. As of now, the Google Apps works with the 3D touch. As we know that now we can extend the notification in different, so we can send and reply to the email or any other messages. You can see that I am testing every single thing if it works or not, so I will mention in the list of bugs in my description, so check it out. So here you can change the shape of the text of the charging percentages and control the brightness or notification, and also switch off by double tapping on notification. To enable root access, you have to hit on build number for 7 times, and then it will be enable the developer option. So you can see here, now you have to scroll down and go to root access. So the screen is little bit yellowish, so we have to change the setting because it is in the live display. So now you have to go to live display, hit on the live display, and you now have to off the live display. It will change your color to bright white color. The battery consumption is little bit higher in this phone and discharge very quickly, but you can use this phone as a daily drive. That's it guys. If you like this review, hit on like. If you want more reviews like this, please hit on the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.